Hi there, students. A tryst, a noun. A tryst is a secret meeting between two lovers. Okay, so yeah, maybe they're having an illicit affair. Yeah, so there was they made a tryst. They organised a tryst. A tryst, a meeting, a secret meeting, but particularly of two lovers to meet. Yeah, an appointed meeting, but with lovers, an assignation, if you like, a rendezvous, as the French might say. Let's see, a tryst. You could maybe use it for a private meeting, but it's just about always for lovers. Yeah, so they had a tryst. Okay, they met together. A tryst. They were their trysts were always in secret places because she didn't want her husband to find out. Okay, so it's a pre-arranged meeting or an assignation, nowadays almost exclusively between lovers, to meet at a specific time and a specific date in a specific place. Formality, this sounds very literary. I think I would probably give it a 7, maybe even a 7.5 in formality. I think if you used it in an informal conversation, either you'd be using it to make a joke or maybe with sarcasm or something like that. A secret meeting, yeah, a hookup. Well, a hookup's when they meet, okay. And then as to origin, it probably comes from something North Germanic, like the old Norse word Trysta, to make safe or secure. And there's even a Proto-Germanic word, trausta, meaning trust or shelter. So I guess a safe place. So when are you going to have your next tryst with your girlfriend? If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A tryst.